Welcome back to the Megaplex Mega Pre-Show. From silent pictures to mono, from stereo to 7.1 surround, the evolution of sound in the movies is making leaps and bounds. And the latest achievement is nothing short of breathtaking. Dolby Atmos system is causing quite the stir in Hollywood, and it's going beyond surround, way beyond. It's making the movie experience even more realistic.
Dolby's been long associated with audio. We've innovated in the cinema space for over 40 years now. Dolby Atmos brings something completely new to the way we experience movies, with the addition of overhead speakers, greater definition and fidelity, and full 360-degree surround sound. It's the most natural, lifelike cinema experience ever.
Stay with us and you'll see how the science behind Dolby Atmos is making blockbusters bigger and better. Welcome back to the pre-show. Peter Jackson put the power of the new Dolby Atmos system to use in his box office smash, The Hobbit.
Dolby Atmos for The Hobbit is something that we've been looking forward to. The new technology and everything it offers in terms of bringing the audience into the audio experience that is Atmos. It allows us not only to enhance what the audience feels, but it allows us to take a moment like the simple thing like blunt the knives. Blunt the knives, we've got plates flying around, we've got vocals coming all around us. We can now put them overhead, and the clarity that it allows us to do is fantastic.
The Megaplex in West Valley is the first in Utah to have the Dolby Atmos system.